Hello, this is my online activity, online product, and I did this product with Smart Notebook, and basically it's just ordering numbers from least to greatest. So I'm gonna show you quickly how it's gonna work for the student. So I'm gonna ask the student to put these numbers in order, to identify them first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just did put 5 numbers here because it's easier to start with 5 and then increase the numbers. Like this one, we have 8 numbers here. So just to show you, we can put the 1 here, drag, and you see it's just dragging and placing where it should be. And then you click on check here. So you see they are all correct here. So what we can do is to reset here, and you see they are all mixed up. We can try to solve it, and you see if we can check, and it's gonna tell us which one is correct, which one is not, and we can solve it here. So it's gonna basically solve the problem here, and the students will be able to learn by doing this activity. So this activity is basically a good activity to know how to count from 1 to 10, and also identify numbers from 1 to 10, and know the ordinal position of each number, and also order them from least to greatest, or the opposite, from greatest to least. So basically this is my online activity, and it's pretty simple. So you can adapt, increase the numbers for assessment purposes to make sure that the student understand the activity we are doing. So that's it for now, and thank you.